Good evening, everyone. This is my current trans case brief presentation. It is a case between the applicant Ahmed Haikal and the respondent College of Physicians and Surgeons of Ontario. The citation is Haikal v. College of Physicians and Surgeons of Ontario 2017 HRTO 146. Here are some facts. This case is on the topic of discrimination against a physician who came to Canada as a permanent resident. The law that this case is involved in is Section 34 of the Human Rights Code, which is commonly known as the Code. It states, if a person believes that any of his or her rights under Part 1 have been infringed, the person may apply to the tribunal. The applicant Ahmed Haikal came to Canada and became a permanent resident in 2014. He was trained and worked in Egypt and United Arab Emirates before he immigrated to Canada. Haikal stated that the respondent College of Physicians and Surgeons of Ontario is discriminating against him because it is prioritizing doctors who are trained in certain approved jurisdictions. He came up with this conclusion judging based on a chart on their website titled Physicians Practicing Outside Canada or USA, Basic Steps to Independent Practice in Ontario. He did not make an application for the independent medical practice in Ontario after reading the discriminatory information on the website about international medical graduates who wish to practice in Ontario. After Haikal filed the application, the College of Physicians and Surgeons of Ontario requested the application to be dismissed because it is an unreasonable claim. There are two issues with this application. The first one was the chart on the website regulated and reviewed? The second one is it reasonable for Haikal to claim that he has experienced discrimination even if he has never applied to be registered for independent practice in Ontario? So the decision for this application is the application from Ahmed Haikal is dismissed. So on to the rationale. To answer the first issue, the College of Physicians and Surgeons of Ontario states that the requirements for certification are set for regulation under legislation and has no discretion in the application of the requirements. The college does not determine which medical schools are placed into each category of registrant, so it is not engaging in the alleged discriminatory treatment of doctors from certain countries. And for the second issue, Haikal claims that from the chart, it is obvious that applicants who were trained in certain countries have more advantages. However, he did not make any application for certification. The college states that it has never denied Haikal any service or membership because he has never even applied to be registered for independent practice. Therefore, there is nothing discriminatory of the college. For the analysis, a case like this is dealing with possible racism that is covert, which means it is not obvious. Therefore, it takes a lot of investigation to determine if the chart on the College of Physicians and Surgeons of Ontario website is discriminatory or not. It is stated by the college that the requirements for application are regulated and they do not have a choice in the application of the requirements. Also, it is unreasonable for Haikal to claim that he is discriminated against because he has never taken any steps in the action for registration, so there's no way to demonstrate that his rights were violated by the college. If Haikal has any chance of success, he must show some evidence to indicate a violation of his rights. There must be evidence to indicate that the decision of the college gives disadvantageous treatment to Haikal that connects to his place of origin in his application. So my survey question to everyone is, do you agree with the tribunal's dismissal of the case considering the statements given by the applicant Ahmed Haikal and the respondent College of Physicians and Surgeons of Ontario?